equipment and start working on their drill, but not here. Still full-blown winter here. Minus 15, and still got quite a bit of snow. Yeah, gonna be the last few days of cold weather here, and then next week starting to warm up a little bit. Plus temperatures in the daytime still freezing at night. It's so icy because last week it was warm, so it melted, then it froze again, then had a little bit of freezing rain, and snow's not really good to go snowmobiling anymore. It's all iced over and crusty, so that's done for the season. So we'll haul some canola that was priced before the tariffs. Thank goodness. Markets are all down, markets crashed. So yeah, this is worth a little bit more than the 12 bucks it's at now. So hopefully that price comes back, because 12 bucks isn't going to cut it. Now the first bin's dry. Second bin's tough. Tough plus dry. Goes dry. Boom. Armor mask. Trailer's got a little dirty. It was warm. Drove down a little muddy. We were trying to load in the back there and kind of in the field. It was soft back there. Not too bad. Full. Well, let's see how bad the lineup is today. Well, it wasn't dry. Close. I have to adjust the mixture. Okay, I'm loaded with the new mix. But I'm not going to take this right now. I'm going to wait a little bit, wait for that line to die down. It was pretty busy when I left there, so I got another thing to do right now. All this a little bit later. Line's not so bad. Later in the afternoon. The Massey needs a bath. Hauling in fertilizer. And it got coated in fertilizer dust and it's stuck on there, so need to get that off before it rusts this paint in the first week that we got it. It's just coated. Gotta get it clean. Plus, I just kind of wanted to take it out for a spin too. Freaking tariffs. Better. That's better. Bring this Massey out again tomorrow. Have one last load of seed wheat coming. Well, let's check the lineup now. I got snacks, just in case. Bad news. Lineup is not good. Good news, brought my snacks. And in other news, I saw a gopher. First gopher of the year. Running on top of the snow. That has been my entertainment so far. Scale ticket says dry. Must have been a better mix. Okay, let's go home.